Hey guys, this is Martin Perdomo. I want to just show you what one of our finished apartments look like. I'm going to go ahead and show you around. So I'm going to start with the door. First thing we did was we changed the door. And if you've seen any of my past videos on this property, let's go in. You'll see how stunning this place looks. We put new floors. We put new mailboxes. So apartment 3 and 4, we've painted the doors. We've painted the hallways. We put new lighting. We brightened this up. We've made it safe. We've made it clean. We've made it something for people to feel proud of when they walk in. Now go to the 3rd floor. So I'm going to show you apartment number 3, where we had a lady that was not paying rent when we purchased it. And actually, let's go right on up there so you can see the no trespassing sign. Okay guys, so if you see this kitchen here, we put new laminate flooring. We have new fridge. As you see, it still has the plastic on there. New stove, new countertop, new backsplash, again, new flooring, paint job, new cabinets. This is what we consider affordable housing. Housing is so desperately needed, quality housing like this, washer, dryer, hookup. We have new sink, new vanities, new toilet. Look at the size of this apartment. This is a 3-bedroom. Let me show you the bedrooms. That was the living room there, the kitchen living room. You got bedroom 1. A nice sized bedroom. You got bedroom 2. Very nice sized bedroom. And I'm gonna call this the master. It's the biggest bedroom. And it's got the front view to the streets. New flooring, new trim, new hardware in most of these doors. Painted hardware, new smoke alarms. So, some of you may or may not know, I grew up in poverty. I come from the hood. I grew up in a place in New York City where it was drug infested, crime infested. It actually still is. And I recall growing up, my mom being super clean. She still is super clean. We took very good care of our property, of our home. But just because someone is poor doesn't mean that they're destructive, doesn't mean that they're bad. And in our country, the working class, middle America, and this is not tying in the poor, but I'm just saying the working class Americans, there's an affordability crisis in our country right now, and a working class American can't find quality housing. This is an apartment that someone could be proud of. We're only asking for this 3-bedroom, $1,200 a month. This is a great place for a mom and a dad and a couple of kids to come and have a nice place to be proud. They live in, have a nice place that they can host. They can have family come and visit them. This is what we're trying to accomplish. This is what, at an affordable rate where their rent is not breaking the bank. This is who we are. This is our mission. This is my purpose as a real estate investor, is to solve for that problem. And therefore we focus on giving this type of product in the marketplace to help solve that problem. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you want to take and steal what we do, go ahead, feel free. There's plenty to go around for all of us. That's what this content is for, to help you if I can help you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share with someone else. We would really, really appreciate that. Thank you. Peace out. So guys, if you like this video you just watched, click on this video up here. It might be something you might like. And guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Peace out.